So, again, welcome all of you. Now, the topic is unit. Okay. So, before start unit of this topic, I want to say that if you are coming first time in this lecture, then please try to visit before lecture, where you will see that the basic idea of physics, how it's work, and how it's defined from other. Okay. Now the topic is unit. So when define unit, so unit is basically, yesterday I told that it is quantity which measure all kind of physical phenomena. Okay. So this is Q is equal to N U. This is quantity. This is numerical. And this is unit. So now come to the point. This is the quantity, and together Nu is called magnitude. Okay, it's called what? It's called magnitude. Together is called magnitude. Okay, so it is a measurable quantity. Okay, which define, so it is the process of comparing a quantity with a fixed standard of same kind. Okay, so it is a process of comparing which is called unit. Okay, so this is the definition of unit. Another definition of unit. Okay, so here you can see that the quantity is basically representing numerical. Let's say you are riding a car or bike. Okay, bike ride. So the speed will be, let's say, 30 km per hour. Okay, so here you can see that 30 is what representing? It's representing numerical value. What representing? It's representing numerical. Value. Okay, and here kilometer per hour representing what? It's representing that the unit. Okay, so that's the main thing is. Now come to the point of which type of units are present in the universal world. So there is the two type of. First is fundamental unit. And second is derived unit. Okay, so this is fundamental unit, this is derived unit. So what is the difference between fundamental unit and derived unit? The difference between fundamental unit and derived unit is that fundamental units are present, okay, and derived units are derived from fundamental units. So this is the parental of derived unit is the parental of fundamental unit. Clear? So fundamental unit, what is the fundamental unit? So let's say first is time, second is temperature, okay, third is what? Intensity. Fourth is distance, okay. Fifth is temperature, time, distance, and fifth is what? Fifth is electric current. Sixth is mole of substance, amount of substance, okay. And seventh is mass, okay, mass. Distance, it is sometimes it is length. So these are the fundamental quantity, okay, fundamental quantity. So from this fundamental quantity, all derived units are coming from here. Oh, so fundamental time, let's say time is unit what? Time is unit is second, temperature Kelvin, intensity candela, distance meter, ampere, mole, kg, okay. So from this entire derived unit will be come, okay. So that's the things is, and what will be the derived fundamental unit? So the definition of fundamental unit is, this is the fundamental unit, okay. I am not writing again fundamental unit basics, okay. This is the fundamental unit. Now come to the point of derived unit. Derived unit, what do you mean by derived unit? So let's say it is saying that derived unit, so derived unit is what? So it derived from the fundamental unit, okay. So derived unit is basically that type of unit which is derived from the fundamental unit. Given that the time and distance, so we know that the velocity, first let's say that the point velocity you know what? Velocity means distance by time, we know that, okay. So distance is what? Distance is meter and time is second, so it will be what? Meter per, first above meter and second is second, so we can say that meter per second or meter per second, okay. This is the unit of what? Unit of velocity, unit of what? Unit of velocity. Velocity is unit is meter per second, okay. Clear it is, okay. Okay. Second is acceleration. Second is what? Second is, let's say, acceleration. Acceleration is same velocity by time. So velocity, we find what? We found that velocity v by t. So it will be v by t square, means meter per second square. But before jump, I want to say something that to define a fundamental unit, let's say time is defined what? Time is defined, let's say time is defined t. Okay, sorry, time is defined as second s. Kelvin is defined temperature K. Candela is defined CD. Okay, distance is defined, I mean symbol is meter. Okay, current electric defined as ampere A, or sometimes this. Okay, amp or this. Mole is defined mole, and kg is defined kg. Okay, mass is defined mass m. So entire symbol, these are the symbol which will help you in the upcoming derived unit section. Okay, so this is the thing. So okay, so here you can see that we take that the velocity and the first alphabet v, velocity first alphabet, we take that the symbol as the symbol of a velocity. Here the velocity is v. Okay, velocity is v. Wait a second. Okay, velocity is what? Velocity is represent v. Okay, so velocity is equal to what? We find that the distance by time we got, and distance means what? Distance unit is meter. It is the fundamental unit. And second is time unit. It is also fundamental unit. So here you can see that velocity is equal to derived form of meter and second, I mean distance unit and times unit. Okay, clear it is. Second is, my third point is what? Force is equal to what? Second law is F is equal to ma. M is equal to m dot a. So here m represent what? M represent mass, a represent acceleration into acceleration. So here mass is represent m, acceleration represent what? V square by t square, v by t square. Okay, so here velocity v representing what? You can see this velocity is equal to meter by time. Velocity is equal to d by t, yani I mean sorry, here will be d by t. d by t square. Okay, so here it also will be d by t square. So now you can see, to represent the unit mass into distance by time per square. So if you combine the matra, I mean, so what it will be? So it will be m L t to the power minus 2, m0 L0. Why m0 L0? Why m0? Why m0 L0 and t to the power 0? Sorry, t to the power minus 2. Why t to the power minus 2? T to the power minus 2. T to the power minus 2 because it's above, because 1 by 2, write that 2 to the power, sorry, 1 by t square, it's write that here see that 1 by t square, we can write that t square to the power minus 2. We know that. So here m0 means it's coming from Soochok's law. So Soochok's law said that if a to the power m divided by a to the power m means a by a to the power m. Okay, and a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to represent that a to the power m minus n. Okay, so that's the things, and here same things is repeating here. What repeating? So same thing is, let's say this is I'm taking that m0 from here, m0, you can see it. So m0 represent what? m1 minus 1. It means m by m, n1 by m1. So it will also cancel out, so it's representing the value of 1. It's coming from Soochok's law. Okay, so now unit, what will be the unit? So the unit will be first mass unit, yani kg, distance unit meter, and second square. Okay, so it is also said that Newton. Okay, now I want to say that what is the unit formation. And unit formation means what? Unit formation is, let's say, what is SI? What is the things is SI? So in the scenario of unit measurement, whole entire world thought that they will create a system which will follow entire earth. Okay, so they create a system which is called SI system. Okay, so it is what? It is the measurement system name. Measurement system. Okay, so it is the measurement system. So SI unit is the form of MKS, yani mass. Okay, sorry, meter, kilogram, and second. This is the form of SI unit, and which is the update form of what? Update form of MKS unit, MKS system. Okay, and there is the FPS. It means what? It means foot, pound, and second. Okay, foot, pound, and second. It means. Okay, and there is also CGS. CGS means what? CGS means centimeter, gram, and second. Okay, so this is the CGS form. This is first form is SI form, which is the derived form, update form of MKS. Okay, so these things are taken in the year of 1971. International conference decided that they will create a measurement system which will accept entire world. Okay, so this is called SI system. Clear it is? What is SI? What is foot, pounds, and what is centimeter? And try to I am going to write that an important things is that if you got a problem to solve it, try to convert the form of either meter, kilogram, second, or centimeter, gram, second. Okay, or foot pound second. Try to convert it. Sorry, either convert it similarly. I mean 3 away, 3 point. Similarly, 3 point. Try to convert it. Let's say if you got 10 meter. Okay, so it is coming from SI unit. Now centimeter, then you have to change the form or the values also. Okay, so values will be remain same, but the zeros will be extracted. So that's the things. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, now come to the point of another point is what, let's say here you can see that force is representing what, it's representing mass into acceleration. We know that we have studied already that force is equal to, it's not, it's also not, what I will do, red is also not. Okay, so white, yeah, now no, not the thing is happening. 1 second. Okay, it will be not happen. Okay, so that's the thing is. Okay, now the topic is angle, and that will complete in the next day. Okay, because my instruments are not so strong, I think, but as much as it will get load, it will increase its efficiency. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Next day it will start from that place, that point. So take care.